The Pronovost Silatube is the first bale tubing system for either round or square bales to combine all of the following innovations and advantages. Self-operating with an incorporated gas engine and hydraulic system. Self-propelled while in operation. The forward motion of the machine is the result of the bale ram pushing against the bales in the tube. The molecular structure of the one-piece stretchable plastic tube is very efficient in taking the shape of the bales, thus preventing air and water infiltration. This offers the user a higher level of control over silage quality and conservation. Furthermore, the plastic tube may be recycled. Once you have installed the plastic tube on the stretcher arms, simply adjust the opening to suit the diameter of the bales with the 3 appropriate levers on the hydraulic control valve bank. Next, tie the ends securely. Now you can proceed to the loading of bales into the Pronovost Silatube, which will automatically wrap them. Each bale indexed also makes the Silatube move forward. After the last bale has been loaded, position the mobile plunger and manually activate the bale ram until the bale has been pushed completely out of the Silatube. To close, tie the end of the tube firmly. The Pronovost Silatube is built on a simple, sturdy base. The 2 back wheels are hydraulically adjustable for controlling friction with the ground and are also adjustable for transportation. A gas engine powers a hydraulic pump, which in turn activates the ram mechanism, adjusts the wheels, the stretcher arms, and the hydraulic jack. The bale ram is activated automatically every time a bale is deposited onto the trigger mechanism of the Pronovost Silatube and returns to its original position to await the next bale. The cycle time is 18 seconds. The automatic functions are regulated by a very simple hydraulic mechanical system. The Pronovost Silatube is very efficient and can easily wrap 100 bales per hour. The P6200 Pronovost Silatube can wrap round bales measuring from 48 to 56 inches in diameter. The Pronovost P6300 Silatube can wrap bales from 48 to 66 inches in diameter and has the same characteristics as the P6200 model. To contend with the large square bales that have begun to appear in recent years, Pronovost has developed the P64 model. This Silatube wraps square or rectangular bales measuring 60 inches in length, and by adding the round bale option, can wrap round bales from 48 to 66 inches in diameter. Here are a few features of the P6400 Silatube. A 2-cylinder, 20 horsepower gas engine with electric starter. A remote control unit which activates the bale ram and the steering mechanism from the tractor. Signal lights and highway tires for safer and easier towing, and a set of working lights which once again are standard equipment. Besides the round bale option, the Pronovost P6400 Silatube offers 2 more options. A hydraulic mechanism allows the user to adjust the width of the bale guide, which is useful for frequent changes in bale sizes. The second option is a hydraulically powered self-propelling traction mechanism, which allows the P6400 to be maneuvered without having to tow it on the job site. Here are a few recommendations which will help in obtaining a good quality silage. A young plant rich in water-soluble carbohydrates will favor fermentation. The ideal moisture content at time of baling should range from 45 to 55%. The silage should not contain any dirt or manure. Hard-packed uniform bales will minimize the presence of air in the silage. Wrapping should be done as quickly as possible, ideally within 3 hours of baling. Once the tubing operation is completed, always be sure that there are no holes in the plastic tube. Repair any punctures immediately. The Silatube concept was developed by Pronovost, manufacturer of agricultural equipment for over 30 years. With Machinerie Pronovost, your satisfaction is guaranteed.